What makes Elon Musk a revolutionary? How does one man redefine industries from electric cars to space travel? At the heart of his extraordinary success lies a mindset, a way of thinking that cuts through complexity like a laser. This video is brought to you by the Success Diaries. Today we dive deep into Elon Musk's secret weapon, first principles thinking. It's the same method that helped him challenge the norms, defy the odds, and build an empire. This is not just a story about Elon, it's a blueprint for anyone with the courage to rethink the impossible. Grab a seat and let's uncover the philosophy that can reshape your own approach to challenges and dreams. First principles thinking sounds complex, but it's a concept rooted in simplicity. Instead of relying on assumptions, opinions, or conventional wisdom, it asks, what do we know for certain? It's about breaking problems into their most basic, undeniable truths and building up from there. Aristotle, one of history's greatest thinkers, championed this approach. But in today's fast-moving world, Elon Musk has turned it into an art form. When Elon Musk set out to build Tesla, he didn't just want to create a car company, he wanted to revolutionize transportation. But there was a problem. Batteries. They were too expensive. Traditional thinking said, that's just the way it is. But Elon asked a different question. Why are batteries so expensive? He deconstructed the problem. He looked at the raw materials, lithium, cobalt, nickel. Then he calculated the cost of these materials if bought in bulk and assembled differently. To his surprise, he realized batteries could be made for a fraction of the market price. This wasn't innovation by chance. It was first principles thinking in action. Now let's talk about rockets. When Elon founded SpaceX, people thought he was crazy. Rockets, they said, cost hundreds of millions of dollars. How could a startup compete with giants like NASA? But Elon wasn't interested in doing things the usual way. Instead, he broke down the costs. What is a rocket, really? Metal, fuel, electronics. By dissecting the components and building his own supply chain, SpaceX developed reusable rockets, slashing costs by up to 90%. Imagine this. A company that everyone thought would fail is now making space exploration cheaper, and even planning missions to Mars. That's the power of thinking from first principles. Elon Musk's achievements aren't just about rockets and cars, they're about mindset. First principles thinking is not reserved for billionaires or scientists. It's a tool anyone can use. Struggling with a business idea? Don't rely on what others say. Break it down to the basics. Trying to solve a tough problem? Question every assumption until you find the core truth. This approach teaches us to ask why 5 times over, to look deeper, to challenge what we think we know. Elon Musk often says he's building the future he wants for humanity. Tesla isn't just a car company, it's about sustainable energy. SpaceX isn't just about rockets, it's about ensuring human survival across planets. First principles thinking drives all of this. It forces us to reimagine what's possible, not just for ourselves, but for generations to come. The next time you hear, that can't be done, remember this. Elon Musk heard it too. But instead of accepting it, he asked, why not? Imagine what you could accomplish if you started questioning assumptions in your own life. Let's bring it back to you. Here's how you can start using first principles thinking today. 1. Define the problem. Get clear on what you're solving. Don't complicate it. 2. Break it down. What are the fundamental truths? Question everything you assume to be true. Theory build. Use those truths as your foundation to construct new solutions. It won't be easy. But remember, first principles thinking is not about perfection. It's about clarity. And clarity is the first step toward transformation. First principles thinking isn't just Elon Musk's superpower. It's a way of life, a reminder to think deeper, dream bigger, and never settle for what's normal. As you finish this video, ask yourself, what assumptions am I holding on to? What truths can I uncover to build my next big idea? This video was brought to you by the Success Diaries. If you found inspiration here, subscribe and join us for more stories and strategies that ignite success. Together, let's rewrite the rules. This isn't just Elon Musk's story, it's a philosophy that could change yours. The question is, are you ready to think from first principles?